Now, in 1802, Bajirao II. In the first video we learned some of the Indian rulers they accepted the system, and in it, in the year 1802, Bajirao II signed the subsidiary alliance treaty with the British. This alliance is well known as the Treaty of Vasai, and this Bajirao II he signed the subsidiary alliance of Lord Wellesley, and this alliance is known as the Treaty of Vasai. Treaty of Vasai in the year 1802 signed by Bajirao II. But this treaty was not acceptable to some Maratha Sardars. This led to the Second Anglo-Maratha War. First Anglo-Maratha War we learn it was in the year 1782, and it came to an end with the Treaty of Salwai, and in the year 1802 the another Treaty of Vasai, and according to this treaty this Bajirao II he entered in the subsidiary alliance of Lord Wellesley, but some of the Maratha Sardars they were against to the decision of this Bajirao II, and this led to the Second Anglo-Maratha War. After the victory of the British, there was increased interference of British into the Maratha state. In the first Anglo-Maratha War, the Marathas unitedly faced the British and they won. But in the second Anglo-Maratha War, the Britishers they won it, and because of this the interference increased in the Maratha territories. This became intolerable, and Bajirao II waged a war against the British. He was defeated in this battle, and in 1818 he surrendered to the British. Now see, because of the subsidiary alliance, the Bajirao II he also lost his freedom, and when he waged a war against the British, he was defeated. He was defeated in the battle, and in 1818 he surrendered. He means who? Bajirao II. He surrendered to the Britishers. In the meantime, the capital of Mughals was under the control of Daulat Rao Shinde. By defeating the troop of Shinde, General Lake captured the Mughal emperor and gained victory over Hindustan. This because of Bajirao II. The second Anglo-Maratha War were there between Maratha and Britishers, and in it the Bajirao II he was defeated by the Britishers. He surrendered, and in this meantime the capital of Mughal was under the control of Daulat Rao Shinde. And the capital of Mughal it was under the control of Daulat Rao Shinde, and the Britishers army, by defeating the troop of Shinde, the Britishers army they also defeat to the troop. Troop means Britishers army to the Daulat Rao Shinde, and General Lake captured the Mughal. General Lake it was the name of the general. He captured the Mughal emperor and gained victory over Hindustan. The victory over Hindustan and the Maratha Shahi came to an end in the year 1880 after by defeating Bajirao II in the Second Anglo-Indian War, and later on by defeating the troop of Shinde, General Lake captured the Mughal emperor and gained the victory over Hindustan.